Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to remove instant future from your Instagram app. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app, go to profile icon, tap on three line option and scroll down. Again scroll down, tap on content performance, scroll down. Now tap on hide instant in inbox. Now enable and back, scroll up, tap on notifications option and scroll down, select instant and now tap on turn off and again turn off, select OK back. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment, share now.